So then once we get access to all the tools, we get into the repair aspect of it. And this is where we make sure they have an SSL certificate, which means that when you look at their website, instead of saying HTTP, it says HTTPS. A lot of times now they will do all these big warnings if your site doesn't have that access. So we want to make sure they have it. If they're hosting with us, it's very easy to get it. If they're hosting with someone else, it might be a little bit more difficult. They might charge the money for it. Then responsive viewport, that just means making sure that it's mobile friendly and it's based on the size of the screen, not on what the operating system or the web browser is. And then red line issues, when we bring a new site on, we always run it through essentially a health monitor, and anything that is marked as a red line issue is something that needs to be taken care of immediately because it's actively harming the site. In repair, the red line issues are the things that essentially they're saying you have to fix this or it's going to hurt your site. So we make sure those are taken care of and fixed. And then we look at the page structure, site map, how all the pages connect and link to one another. Having a plan for that is really important when it comes to the user experience and ensuring that it makes sense and you're not creating orphan pages. Lots of times when you have websites like O'Lear is a really great example of this. They have a lot of pages that are orphan pages because the only way you can get there is with a direct link. You can't follow anything to it. So making sure that you have the site structure where you can follow it to all the different pages and see how they're connected is really beneficial.